From Bill Gates drinking sewage water, to devices that use the tongue as eyes, and even cell phones that are saving the rainforest, you'll be sure to find something amazing in this selection of articles about the innovations that are moving our society forward. How can we police large swaths of endangered rainforest with something we all have at home? The incredible startup Rainforest Connection is taking our old cell phones and giving them a second life as protectors of some of the most at-risk habitat on the planet. Have you heard of the device that uses the tongue to transmit visual information to the brain? Today, we'll take a look at the lives of Andy and Eric to see the potential in this amazing innovation. Sometimes we need an eccentric person with a crazy idea to push back the edge of possibility for us all. Take a look at a wonder in innovation you will not believe. Talk about virtual reality feels like it's everywhere, but why all the hype? Today we explore why VR may be the next big thing, and what's going on in our brains to make these digital worlds so real and fun. Ever wished that you could be the one to discover an amazing ancient site? Well, what if we told you that you can be, by connecting to a satellite, yourself? Are you creeped out by robots or snakes? How about a robotic snake? You might change your tune when you see the incredible uses of the robot snake, today on Nuke.